morning, children. How you have been? Hope you all have been really good. So, you all know it's time for summer vacation, and this time you have to do an activity, and the activity name is What's your date of birth? Yes, what's your date of birth? You have to ask five members of your family. It could be your father, mother, your brother, your sister, your grandfather, your uncle, any. You have to ask their date of birth and write that date of birth in smallest and biggest or largest possible manner, and then write that number in Indian and international system. Okay, is it interesting? So let me explain you well. So what you have to do, you have to take any 5 date of birth. Okay, now let's example, I have taken this. If your date of birth is 14 December 2010, you have to write it. After that you have to remove all the slashes, so it will become 14 12 2010. So 14 12 2010. Then you have to form largest and smallest possible number from these numbers. So for making the smallest possible number, what you will do, you will write this number in which order? Ascending order. Yes, so ascending order you will write. So which is this smallest number in this one? So you all know among this which one is the smallest? 0 is smallest, but we don't write 0 in the first place because it will make no sense. So we will not put 0 in the first place. So let's take the other number. It is 1. So 1, then you can write 0. After 1 you can write 0, but before any number we will not write zeros. So what are the other two zeros? So two zeros I have taken. Now what others number are left? 1 2 1 are left, then 2 2 and 4. This is 2 2 and 4. We have written it like this. Now this number you will write in Indian and international, both the systems. Is it clear? Similarly, you have to make largest number from this number. From this date of birth, you will form a largest number, largest possible number. So it will be 4. Then what is there? 2 2 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Sorry, two zeros are there, so 0 0. So that number you will write in Indian and international, both the forms. So let me show you an example how you will write in your copies or in your project files. Like this you have to write. What you will write, first of all you will write the date of birth. Like I have written, first of all, date of birth. What's your date of birth? You will write like my date of birth 12 12 2009, means 12 December 2009. Then you will remove these slashes, you will remove these slashes, you will remove, and you will write direct number 12122009. Is it clear? Now you have to form the largest possible number from this digit. So for forming the largest possible number, you have to write this number in the descending form. Which form? Descending order you have to write. So descending order 9, then 2 2 2, 3 times 2, so 2 2 2, then 1 1 1 1, then 0 0 0 0. So this is largest possible number from this date of birth. Is it clear? Now we have to write this number in Indian and international system. According to Indian and international system, we have to give name to this number. So you can see, we will write this number according to Indian system. So we have written this number according to Indian system, and you know in Indian system we make 3, then 2, then 2, and then 2 2. First 3 groups, then 2 2 2 groups. So we will name it as 9 crore 22 lakh 21,100. And in international system it is 92,221,100. And you should keep this in mind that in international system we make a group of 3 2 2 2, as you can see, 3 3 3 and 3, and in Indian system we make group of 3 2 2 2 and so on. Is it clear? Now from this date of birth only, as we have written here without slashes, from this date of birth we will form the smallest possible number. Okay, so we will form the smallest possible number. We will write smallest possible number. As I have already told you, you will not write 0 in the first place. You will not write zeros in the first place. In the second place zeros can come, but not in the first place. So for in first place we'll write 1, then 0 0 1 2 2 2 9. This is the smallest possible number, and we will write this number in Indian and international system. Both the system we will write. Then it will become 1,20,229. Now in international system it is 10,012,229. So this is an international system. Okay, similarly you will do, I have shown you an example of 1, you will do for 5 members of your family. Okay, so you will do all the holiday homework, whether it is of maths, English, EST, anything, you will do in a single file. Okay, means no separate files for any subject. All work will be in a single file. Is it clear? And hope you will enjoy this activity, and you have to do all the things very carefully. Neat and clean work should be there. Your work should be attractive. No need to use watercolor and crayons color to shade anything. And you all are very creative, so show your creativity in presenting this activity. And till then, stay home and stay safe. Sai Ram.